For 3 years, a man deposited a certain sum at 10% simple interest, and the simple interest earned is rupees 2,340. If he invests the same sum, at same rate of interest compounded annually, then find the difference between the interest. Given SI equals 2,340, N equals 3 years, R equals 10%. To find the difference, first we have to find the principal amount and compound interest. If 30% gives 2,340, then 100% gives what? Cross-multiplying both sides, we get 2,340 into 100, divided by 30, gives 7,800 as principal. P equals 7,800. I1 equals 10% of 7,800. Gives I1 is 780. I2 equals 780 plus 780 plus 10% of 780. Gives I2 is 1638. I3 equals 780 plus 1638 plus 10% of 1638. Gives I3 is 2581.8. By subtracting 2340 from 2581.8, we get difference as 241.8. For 2 years, a man deposited rupees 8,000 at some rate of interest. If the difference between SI and CI is 12.8%, then find the rate of interest. Given P equals 8,000, N equals 2 years, difference equals 12.8. Difference equals PR square, by 100 square. That is 12.8 equals 8,000 into R square, by 100 square. On solving we get R is 4%. Therefore the rate of interest is 4%. If the simple interest for 2 years is 2,000 rupees, and the compound interest for 2 years is 2,100 rupees, then find the rate of interest. Here for first year, rupees 1,000 is given as interest for both simple interest and compound interest. For second year, simple interest is rupees 1,000, and compound interest is rupees 1,100. Subtracting 1,100 and 1,000, we get difference is 100. Here rate of interest is asked, so we have to consider it for 100%. If 1,000 gives 100, then we can say that 100 gives 10%. Therefore the rate of interest is 10%. For 1 year, the simple interest obtained from a certain sum, at the certain rate of interest is rupees 180, and for 2 years, the compound interest obtained from the same sum, at the same rate of interest is rupees 374.4. Find the rate of interest. Here for first year, rupees 180 is given as interest for both simple interest and compound interest. For second year, compound interest is rupees 194.4. By subtracting 194.4 and 180, we get difference as 14.4. We have to find the rate. If 180 gives 14.4, then 100 gives what? On cross multiplying, we get 14.4 into 100, divided by 180, gives 8%. Therefore the rate of interest is 8%. For 2 years, the compound interest obtained by depositing some amount of money is rupees 609, and the simple interest for the same sum for the same time is rupees 600. Find the difference between the interest for 3 years. Here for first year, rupees 300 is given as interest for both simple interest and compound interest. For second year, compound interest is rupees 309. Difference is 9. To find the difference for 3 years, first we have to find the rate and the principal amount. If 300 gives 9, then 100 gives what? By seeing itself we can say that it is 3%. Now we have to find the principal amount. If 6% gives 600, then 100% gives what? If we multiply 100 to 6, we get 600. Similarly, if we multiply 100 to 100, we get 10,000. We know that difference for 3 years equals PR square, by 100 square, into 3 plus R by 100. That is 10,000 into 3 square, by 100 square, into 3 plus 3 by 100. We get difference as 27.27.